A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start fourth lecture of chapter 5 complex number. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed concept or theory related to complex number. So class, now today I will explain or I will come to the questions and CRT. Now come to the first question. First question is, convert in A plus IB form. Or convert 2 plus 3i in A plus IB form. Solution: given this is 2 plus I whole square, so 2 plus 3i whole square. This is given 2 plus 3i whole square. Now you know the formula. A plus b whole square means 2 square plus 3i whole square plus 2 times 3i in bracket AB. This is 2 times A into B, means 2 times 2 into 3i. Now its calculation will be 4 minus 9 and plus 3 4s are 12i. Now result will be minus 5 plus 12i. Now this is the A plus IB form. This is the answer. Now come to the second question. Second question is, question number 2. Convert 1 plus I upon 1 minus I in A plus IB form. So given 1 plus I upon 1 minus I, and we have to rationalize by 1 plus I. And now its result will be 1 plus I whole square upon 1 minus I square. So you will see this is 1 plus I square plus 2i whole upon this is 2. So 1 minus 1 plus 2i whole upon 2. So plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled out. So 2i upon 2 result will be I. So in A plus IB form we can write this is 0 plus I, A plus IB form. Now this is the answer. Now there are 2 questions which is completed. See. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 3. Now question number 3 is, add complex number. Z1 and Z2 such that Z1 is equal to 2 plus 4i and Z2 is equal to 5 minus 4i. So you have to add. So solution is, since Z1 is equal to 2 plus 4i and Z2 is equal to 5 minus 4i. So Z1 plus Z2 will be equal to 2 plus 4i plus 5 minus 4i. Now its a result, plus 4i and minus 4i will cancel out, result will be 2 plus 5, 7, and 7 in complex form we can write 7 plus 0i. This is in complex. Now suppose you have to find out Z1 minus Z2. This is extra. This is the answer. But this is the extra question. Extra question. Suppose you have to find out Z1 minus Z2 in case 2 plus 4i minus 5 minus 4i. So what you will get the result? You will get 2 minus 5, that is minus 3, and plus 4i plus 4i, that is plus 8i. This is the subtraction. Now suppose you have to multiply. Suppose you have to find out Z1 into Z2. So Z1 into Z2 result will be 2 plus 4i and 5 minus 4i. You have to multiply. What will be the result? Result will be 10 minus 16i square, 10 minus 16i square and minus 8i and plus 20i, minus 8i plus 20i. So this is minus 16 square I square, result will be plus 16, and this result will be 16 plus 10, 26, and now this result will be plus 12i. So 26 plus 12i. Now its result will be 26 plus 12i after multiply. So product of two complex number is a complex format, a plus ib. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is, question number 4 is solve two plus 3i upon 1 minus I in a plus ib form. We have to solve. So given two plus 3i upon 1 minus I. Now we have to rationalize. So after rationalizing, or you will rationalize by 1 plus I. So after rationalizing, this result will be 2 plus 3I 1 plus I whole upon 1 minus I square. So this result we can write, this is 2 plus 2I plus 3I plus 3 times I square. Now this is 2. Now you know I square result is minus 1. So 2 minus 3, result will be minus 1, and this is plus 5I and whole upon 2. Now in A plus IB form, what we can write? This result we can write minus 1 by 2 and plus I times 5 by 2. This is A plus IB form. So this is the answer. C. Now come to question number 5. Question number 5 is, solve one minus I to the power 4. 1 minus I to the power 4. Now solution. Solution 1 minus I to the power 4, this one can be written as 1 minus I whole square to the power 2, and now this is 1 plus I square minus 2I whole square. Now this result we can write, I square result is minus 1, so 1 minus 1 minus 2I power 2. This implies 1 minus I power 4, we can write plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled out, so minus 2I whole square, and this result is minus 2 whole square result is 4 and I square, so result will be minus 4. So minus 4 is the answer. Or in A plus IB, you also can write minus 4 plus 0I, minus 4 plus 0I. This is question number 5th. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 6. Question number 6 is, find small x and small y for which two complex number z1 and z2 are equal, such that z1 is equal to 2x plus 7i and z2 is equal to 5 minus x (25 minus 1 minus x). This is I y. So you have to simplify. This is given, or solution z1 is equal to Z2. This implies 2x plus 7i is equal to 25 plus I in bracket minus 1 minus x y. So, two complex number are equal. By the property of equality of two complex number are equal if their real and imaginary parts are equal. So, this is real and this is the coefficient imaginary. So, x is equal to, on equating 2x you will get 25. This implies x is equal to 25 by 2. Now, its result will be 12.5. So, on equating imaginary part, 7 will be equal to, this will be x minus 1 into y, and x value you know, x value is 25 by 2. This implies 7 is equal to 25 by 2 minus 1 with y. When you will solve, this is 25 minus 2, 23 by 2, and 7 is equal to 23 by 2y. This implies y is equal to 14 by 23. 14 by 23. This is 7 to the 14 by 23. Now, this is the values of x and y. Now, this is the answer. See, this is the properties of two complex number. You can say this is equals or equality of two complex number. Now, I will come to the next question. The next question is, suppose you have to solve this type of questions or iota power. You know magnitude, modulus. So, I will come to the topic magnitude. So, how you will calculate magnitude of complex number? Question number 7. Find the magnitude of complex number z such that z is equal to 2 plus 4i. So, solution: given complex number z is equal to 2 plus 4i. 2 belongs to real, 4 belongs to real. Now, the modulus of complex number z, that is mod of z is equal to root over 2 square plus 4 square. Now, its result 2 to the 4 and 16, 4 plus 16, you will see this result will be root 20, and root 20 means you can write 2 root 5, because 4 into 5, then 2 root 5 is the modulus of complex number. And which is the complex number? This is 2 plus 4i. This is 2 plus 4i. Now, this is the answer.
In charges of teachers' day are
Now I will come to the next question. The next question is, find the, or if x minus iy is equal to root over a minus iv whole upon c minus id. Now prove that x square plus y square whole square is equal to a square plus b square whole upon c square plus d square. We have to prove. Now given statement x minus iy is equal to root over a minus iv upon c minus id. This is x minus iy, this is given. Now suppose you are going to take their modulus conjugate. What will be conjugate? Taking conjugate on both the sides. So x minus iy conjugate will be x plus iy, and that will be equal to in square root, result will be a plus ib and c plus id. Now consider equation 1 and equation 2. Then suppose you are going to multiply equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 multiply by equation 2. X minus iy, x plus iy is equal to root over a minus iv upon c minus id into root over a plus iv upon c plus id. Now what will be its result? See, it's a result this is a minus b and a plus b, so result will be x square plus y square. This is a square minus b square. Now a minus iv into a plus iv whole upon c minus id c plus id. Now this one we can write root over a square plus b square whole upon c square plus d square. Now x square plus y square, we can write c square plus d square. Now squaring both sides, what you will get the result? Squaring both sides, x square plus y square whole square is equal to a square plus b square upon c square plus d square. This is the result. Hence proof. Hence proved. Now this question is completed. Now come to the next question. The next question is one plus I if 1 plus I whole upon 1 minus I to the power m is equal to 1, then find least integral values of m. Then find least integral values of m. So given 1 plus I whole upon 1 minus I to the power m is equal to 1. Now suppose we are going to rationalize in middle bracket. So 1 plus I upon 1 minus I into 1 plus I whole upon 1 plus I power m is equal to 1. This one we can write 1 plus I whole square whole upon 1 minus I square power m. Now this one 1 plus I square plus 2I power m whole upon 2. This is I square value minus 1, so minus 1 plus 1 minus 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 1, so plus 1, and 1 plus 1 will be 2. Now is equal to 1. Now this result will be cancelled and result will be 2I whole upon 2 power m is equal to 1. So I to the power m is equal to 1. Now 1 can be written as I to the power 4. I to the power 4. Now what will be its value? So I will be equal to, or 1 m will be equal to, when compare, so least positive value will be m is equal to 4. m is equal to 4. Now answer is least positive integral value of m, that is 4. Now this question is completed. See, This question is completed.